Hey guys, Portia here, and today I want to show you guys how to make a stencil for the Dallas Cowboys logo. I recently, a few weeks ago, months ago, I don't know now, I actually etched the logo on glass with armor etch, and I have had a few requests asking exactly how I created the stencil for the glass. So what we're going to do first is just Google Cowboys logo. Go ahead and go to images. I like to hit transparent, so it's a ping. I like to upload the ping into Design Space. And from here, you just look for a logo that you actually like, pretty much that fits what the look that you're going for, right? So let's see here. There was one here that I saw that I like. I think this one. Okay, so we know that it's a ping because when you initially look at it, you don't have the little checkerboard back there, but when you click in there, you get the checkerboard. We're going to save image as, and then I'll just call this DC, and then save it. So from there, let's go ahead and go on over to Design Space. So this was the initial logo that I did before, but let's get rid of that. And I want to upload it from the very beginning so that you guys can see it. So we got our ping there. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So it's already clean the way we want it to be clean, no background or anything in there. So we can just go to continue, name it DC, save it. We're gonna select this one, insert the image. Okay, so from here, you pretty much make it the size that you need it to be. We can just make this a little bit smaller though. For now. Okay, that looks good. So, creating stencils is all about negative space. So what I'm going to do is just bring in a box here. And we are going to make it larger than our actual image. From here, I like to line them up. You don't have to do this, but I like to line it up. In both the box and the image is selected right now. We're going to hit slice. So once we do that, we're going to go ahead and get rid of this and this. And we are now left with negative space. So you have your gray box, which will keep that part when we peel it off. And then you have all the white space here. So the white space is where your etching cream is actually going to go. So if we get rid of that and we go to make it, now you'll see that all of the negative spaces, which is the part we actually want, is the part that we'll be able to etch in. So we have created our stencil. So guys, yeah, if you got any more questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. I hope this video was very helpful to the folks that are looking for it. If you need me to create something different for you, I absolutely will. But until next time, peace.